House Mormont is a noble house in the Song of Ice and Fire. Their sigil is a black bear on green wood. House Mormont rule from Bear Island in the north. It's one of the few houses to have an ancestral weapon of Valyrian steel. It's said that Roderick Stark, the king of the north, gave Bear Island to the Mormonts after winning it in a wrestling match from the Driftwood king of the Ironborn. House Mormont are fiercely loyal to House Stark and have been for hundreds of years. During the War of the Five Kings, House Mormont is one of the first houses to aid Robb Stark's campaign against the Iron Throne.